experience, love the vibe. Welcome to the Chery Pavilion.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our dealer partners, bank partner, our friends from the media, good afternoon and welcome to the Chery Pavilion. Today, we are celebrating an incredible milestone for Chery. Because first, we are unveiling not just one, not two, but three. Undoubtedly, three models that will make an impact in their respective segments. You will witness the official launch of one crossover SUV, a sneak preview of a 7-seater SUV, and another electric 7-seater SUV. First, the all-new Tiggo Cross. It is poised to be a game changer in the crossover SUV segment, priced competitively at sub 1 million pesos. We also are giving you a sneak preview to two more cutting-edge models. The Tiggo Grand Tour MPV and the 7-seater Tiggo ReV CDM. Today also marks Chery Auto Philippines' brand relaunch. A refresh of who we are, the new Chery. With that, we are also introducing a brand new tagline that represents our commitment to you. Love your journey. Love your journey means we don't just sell cars. We create experiences that makes you love your journey with Chery more.
It's time for those seeking the perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, offering a driving experience that's both enjoyable and engaging. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 2 Pro! Meet our next all-new Chery SUV with the middle blocker of the Chery Tiggo crossovers, powered by cutting-edge fuel-efficient technology, perfect for day-to-day driving. The all-new Chery Tiggo Cross! The excitement continues! Please welcome the Team Tiggo Crossovers, Abigail! Blending refined design with everyday practicality, with smart features, generous space, and an accessible price. This MPV is everything your family needs. Introducing the all-new Chery Tiggo Grand Tour! Here to reveal our final car is the middle blocker of the Chery Tiggo crossovers, Introducing the 7-seater electrified who want more from their drive. Thoughtfully designed and packed with advanced features, exceptional performance, and the space to take on whatever comes next. This SUV that's ready for anything. The all-new Chery Tiggo ReV CDM! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the latest vehicle lineup of the Chery Auto Philippines. Get ready to fall in love with every ride.